Yes, we can do it in just 2 steps. The first step is to turn off automatic ear detection. Then use set microphone settings for AirPods. Here I am connecting my AirPods to my iPhone first. Under the Bluetooth settings on the iPhone, find the AirPods name and tap on it to connect. Here I am, connected. You can refer to my separate tutorial on connecting AirPods if you are a beginner. Now, tap on the I button next to the AirPods name and scroll to the automatic ear detection toggle. Turn off this toggle to stop disconnected AirPods from the iPhone when you take them out from the ears. One more setting is you can choose to use the microphone on the left or right, or set it automatically. AirPods start using one of the microphones, whichever you start using first. I recommend selecting one, either left or right, which has enough battery for long recordings. Now you are done. Now, set AirPods as the output and input audio device. From the control center, check under the media player. If it's not, then connect AirPods first as an audio device. For testing, you can use voice memos or other recording apps. Follow the same steps on iPad or Mac to use it. Refer to my separate tutorial. That's it. If you have any questions, then comment below.